Welcome back to my channel with Coin Spot. Today's best top 2 coins 1. You want to miss we're diving into the world of United States coins? Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1, the 2001 France 2 euro cent coin. Covering its historical background, design elements, technical specifications, mintage details, and some information about value and collectability. This deep dive will help you understand the coin not only as currency, but also as a piece of European numismatic historical background. 2 euro cent coin from France, minted in 2001, is part of the broader euro coinage system that was introduced with the formation of the Eurozone. The euro was adopted as the common currency by many European Union countries and officially entered into circulation on January 1, 2002. However, euro coins, including those dated 2001, were minted in advance for logistical and preparation purposes. France, being one of the founding members of the European Union, actively participated in the euro currency transition. The coins minted in 2001 were primarily used for stockpiling and distribution prior to their public release, which makes them some of the earliest issues in the euro coin series design and symbolism. The 2 euro cent coin has a small diameter, copper-plated appearance, yet it carries a rich symbolic meaning. All euro coins have a common reverse side, designed by Luc Likes, and a national obverse side that varies from country to country. France's national side was designed by artist Fabien Courched, an engraver at the Paris Mint Money de Paris. On the national obverse of the 2 cent coin, you will see Marianne, the national symbol of the French Republic. She represents liberty, reason, and the values of the Republique Liberté, fraternity. Marianne has appeared on French stamps and coins since the French Revolution and is depicted here in a modern and elegant form. She is shown in profile, wearing the Phrygian cap, a traditional symbol of freedom. The background features radiating lines that suggest movement and energy around the image of Marianne, or the 12 stars of the European Union, symbolizing unity and harmony among EU nations. Also inscribed are the initials RF for Republic Française, the mint year, 2001, and the engraver's initials, the reverse side. Common to all Eurozone countries, features a globe with the 15 original EU member states highlighted. It also shows the denomination to euro cent. 6 fine lines with 12 stars at their ends, symbolizing the European flag, and a representation of global connectivity, technical specifications, feature details, country France's denomination. 2 euro cent year 2001 composition, copper-plated steel, 94.35% steel, 5.65% copper diameter, 18.75 thickness, 1.67 weight, 3.06 grams. Edge smooth with a continuous groove. Obverse designer Fabien, reverse designer Luc Likes. Common EU side mint mark cornucopia. Money de Paris mint mark. Engravers mark specific initials of the engraver mint. Smooth edge with a fine groove is one of the identifying features of this coin. Its small size and reddish hue make it easily recognizable among other coins in the euro family. Mintage and circulation in 2001. Millions of these coins were minted by the Money de Paris, France's official minting institution. Although euro coins were released into circulation in 2002, coins from 1999 to 2001 were minted in preparation for the euro rollout and distributed in euro starter kits and bank stockpiles. Exact mintage figures vary by source, but for 2001, mintage was substantial as it was part of the bulk production ahead of the euro's physical introduction. Therefore, while not rare, the coin is a part of the first series of euro coins, giving it some historical importance, value, and collectability in general. 2001 French 2 euro cent coins are common in circulation and have a face value of 2 cents. In circulated condition, they typically hold no significant numismatic premium. However, uncirculated or brilliant uncirculated BU coins, especially those in mint sets or special presentation, packaging can be more desirable for collectors. These may trade for a bit higher, ranging from 10 cents to 50 cents or more, depending on condition, demand, and market trends. Coins from mint sets, or those in proof quality, which were not intended for circulation and are made with a high quality finish, can fetch a higher price, up to a few euros. That said, The 2001 issue is not considered rare or especially valuable unless in pristine condition or part of a complete first-year Euro set. Top to the 1999 France 2 Euro cent coin, including historical context, design, technical specs, minting information, collectability, and where to buy historical and contextual background, France began minting its Euro cent coins in 1999, preparing for the physical introduction of the euro in January 2002. The 1999 dated coins didn't circulate immediately. Most were stockpiled and issued later in starter kits and general circulation. This coin is part of the first series of euro coins, marking an important transition in European monetary history. The 2-cent denomination represents 1/50th of a euro 2 cents, and it's among the lower-value copper-colored coins designed for everyday use. Design and symbolism. Obverse national side features a stylized portrait of Marianne, the allegorical symbol of the French Republic, depicted with a determined, youthful profile by engraver Fabien Corchet, as surrounded by the 12 EU stars, alongside the inscriptions RF Republique Francaise, the year 1999, in Corchet's signature F. Corchet, near the edge reverse common European side, designed by Luc Likes. The reverse shows the face value to euro cent with a stylized globe, highlighting Europe's place within the world, tied together with 6 diagonal, parallel lines ending in stars. The initials LL appear near the globe. Technical specifications. Characteristic detail composition: copper-plated steel, weight 3.06 g, diameter 18.75 thickness 1.67 edge, smooth with a single groove. SKA UKM #1283 mint money to Paris. Pessiment, Master Mark B. Pierrodier. 1999, 2000. These technical details align with standard EU coin specifications and reflect production quality, typical for circulation strikes, mintage, and circulation according to multiple sources. 702,069,000 to 702,119,000. Coins were minted for general circulation. In addition, 35,000 coins were included in annual uncirculated BOO sets, 15,000 in proof sets because of the large mintage. Circulated coins remain very common and today retain only face value collectability and market value. Circulated specimens are worth face value tilde 2 cents or tilde 2 cents. Uncirculated BOO coins in mint sets may be valued around 5 cents, possibly more, depending on condition. Proof examples from dedicated proof sets are rarer, 15,000 minted, and generally sell for around €5 to 10 collectors. Note that most coins sold above face value online are BOO or proof examples. Sold circulation coins rarely fetch a premium where to find or buy genuine. 1999 France 2 Euro cent coins are available from trusted coin platforms and dealers. Numista, Coin database. Coin Brothers offer catalog listings and mintage details for collectors' V-coins. Stores sell certified proof and BOO versions priced around €5 to 10. Used listings on eBay typically show circulated coins in the €1 to 2 range, and sometimes rare error coins listed at very high markups. Use caution and check sold data. Summary: the 1999 French 2 Euro cent coin is a historically significant yet common circulation coin with standard dimensions 18.75 millimeters, 3.06 g, copper-plated steel, and beautiful national design by Fabien Corchet. With over 702 million minted, it's abundant in general circulation and holds minimal nominal value, unless found in BOO or proof condition. Collectors may value such specimens more, especially if in pristine condition or sold directly in mint sets. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.